Welcome. If you've ever found a group post cluttering up your Facebook home feed, you might be wondering how to quickly remove it, especially with Facebook's latest update. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to remove a group post from your home feed on the Facebook app for PC. This process is straightforward, and in just a minute, you'll have a home feed that looks a lot cleaner and more tailored to what you want to see. First, start by opening the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, scroll through your home feed and look for a group post that you'd like to remove. Group posts usually display the group name at the top, so they're easy to spot among the other updates from your friends and followed pages. When you find the post you want gone, move your mouse to the top right corner of that post. Here, you'll see an X icon. It might look small, but it's the key to cleaning up your feed. Click on that X icon. After clicking, Facebook will instantly remove that group post from your home feed. The best part is, this action won't remove you from the group or affect future posts, unless you choose additional options that may appear, such as hiding all from this group. This new update makes it much easier to control what you see every time you open Facebook. You now have the power to keep only the group posts you care about and get rid of the rest with just one click. To recap, just open the Facebook app, find the group post you no longer want to see, and click the X icon at the top of the post. That's it. Your home feed is a reflection of what matters to you. Thanks for watching.